welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Ito po ay Gabby's Vlog. For our this week's vlog, ano kaya nangyari nung Mega Ball 2022 after 2 years of hiatus? Plus, ang announcement of Idol PH, now na subscribe na to YouTube channel. Pero sana po mag-support na ating po like, shares, comments, and views. So, aabotin tayo ng 140 na subscribers. Kapag okay na lahat. For our this week's vlog, 168, episode 168, entitled Mega Ball Plus Idol PH. Here's your vlog! Okay, simulan natin. Una muna natin ay Mega Ball. Watch this! Okay, after 2 years of hiatus since 2020-2021 kasi dahil sa GCQ, ECQ, nagbabalik na ang Mega Ball, the new era, kung saan ginanap last Independence Day, June 12, sa Manila Marriott Hotel, kung saan artista ang attend. Pero hindi yung gown, kundi kakaibang casual wear. Katulad ni na KD Lex, KD Estrada, and Alexa Ilangan. Ang love team ni na Mavi Legaspi and Kyla Cantara, Andrea Brillantes and Richie Rivero, pati na yung Casres, Darius Panto, and Cassie Legaspi. Then other guests like JD, na na-miss ko si JD, James Reid and Nadine Lustre, at syempre si Vice Ganda, plus Maya Metrata, Kapuso artist Stephanie Di Marana, fashion designer Precious Libinan, and others. At ang Pinoy Pride Awards like Mr. Pure LG Gary Baliciano, Heidi Ling Diaz, and of course, Hardy Valdez Escudero. The Mega Ball 2022 is owned by Mega Magazine and the Mega Publishing organized by the Mega Publishing Incorporated. Maraming salamat to Mega Magazine sa ating lahat ng mga attending during the Mega Ball 2022. Sana, hope to see you next year para sana kaya next venue. Sana medyo bigger na pag tapos na yung pandemya. Kaya congratulations to Mega Magazine and the organizers of the Manila Marriott Hotel. Now, ano kaya nangyari sa Idol PH? Excited na! Watch this! Okay, eto na. Excited na. The Idol Philippines Season 2 premieres June 25 and 26, 7 p.m. sa Kapamilya Online Live, Kapamilya Channel at A to Z Channel 11. Excited! 7 p.m. na. While 8:30 p.m. Sabado and Sunday 9 p.m. sa Guess TV5! After 60 years of waiting, the Idol franchise is back on TV5 since 2006 Philippine Idol. Kasi ang grand winner na si Mau Marcelo. Kasi si Mau Marcelo ang first Idol of the Philippines winner noong 2006. 2023 na 2008 and 2019 to Stephanie Di Marana. Ang Idol Philippines Season 2 mapapanood na June 25 and 26 sa Kapamilya Channel, Kapamilya Online Live, A to Z Channel 11 at TV5. Yes, TV5, nababalik na ang first incarnation ng Idol franchise sa Pilipinas. Kaya supportan natin Idol Philippines on social media account. And yan po ang ating this week's vlog. Supportan natin and next vlog. Bye-bye! Masaya na ako. God bless!